Hello friends, now we see the problem number 2, which is based on limits at infinity and infinite limit of chapter limits. The problem number 2 is limit extends to infinity, first bracket 3x plus 4 into second bracket 4x minus 6 into third bracket 5x plus 2, whole thing divided by 4x cube plus 2x square minus 1. Now let's see the solution. L is equal to limit extends to infinity 3x plus 4 first bracket into 4x minus 6 second bracket into 5x plus 2 third bracket in the numerator and whole thing divided by 4x cube plus 2x square minus 1 in the denominator. Now here the greatest power in the numerator is x into x into x, that is x cube, and greatest power in the denominator is also x cube. It means in this case we have to divide numerator and denominator by x cube. So the next step will be limit extends to infinity. In the numerator we write 3x plus 4 upon x into 4x minus 6 upon x into 4x plus 2 upon x. So in this way we divide numerator by x into x into x, that is x cube. Now in the denominator we can write 4x cube upon x cube plus 2x square upon x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So that equal to the next step is limit extends to infinity. Now 3x upon x, that gives 3 plus 4 upon x in the first bracket, second bracket 4 minus 6 upon x in the second bracket, and in the third bracket 5 plus 2 upon x upon, in the denominator we have 4 plus 2 upon x and minus 1 upon x cube. Now here we apply the rule that limit extends to infinity 1 upon x raised k equal to 0 provided k greater than 0. So the next step will be 3 plus 0 in the first bracket, 4 minus 0 in the second bracket into 5 plus 0 in the third bracket upon 4 plus 0 minus 0. So that is 3 into 4 into 5 in the numerator upon 4 in the denominator. So we cancel 4 from numerator and denominator, and finally 3 multiplied by 5 gives 50. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.